With generative AI on the rise, do you think AI will replace the educators? Let's find out how. In this video, I will introduce you to a tool that will have the potential to transform the way we teach and learn. That tool is Magic School AI. Welcome to the channel AI Future Tech, where AI meets tomorrow. Magic School AI is similar to an AI assistant for anything that you can do with teaching and learning. It has more than 50 tools that can help you do multiple tasks, from creating a lesson plan or doing science labs, or in fact creating math story word problems, and much more. So let's try a few of my favorite tools in this 50 plus list. So let's start with syllabus generator. So here is where you will generate a syllabus based on the information that you provide. And Magic School AI supports all grades from pre-K all the way to high school and college. So for this example, I'm just going to say 5th grade and I'm going to enter the subject English. I know there are other fields in here, but I'm not going to fill any of them. I'm just going to click generate to see what it produces. Now, within a matter of seconds, you are able to see that it created the syllabus starting with the description, objectives, materials required, grading policy, course schedule, along with a rubric matrix. Right? And as you can see here, Magic School AI is enabled with a chatbot with preloaded prompts that you can use. So you can you provide more details about the grading criteria, or what are the recommended textbooks for this course? So let's say, can you provide me more details about the grading criteria? Then of course it goes on to provide you the specifics. Now, as it generates, let me share with you that once the syllabus is created, you have the option to copy or export it into a Word document or Google Docs, depending upon the platform that you're using. And you can also share this as a public link and share it with anyone who has access to that link. Now that you understand how Magic School AI works, with very few prompts, you are able to generate a full-fledged content. Using that as the basis, let me give you a walkthrough of the other tools that's here. Lesson plan, multiple choice assessment, creating science lab, math story word problems, etc. Now, during the trial, I actually created all these, and each of the results are stored in the output history folder. So you can see that I tried quite a few of them. So what I'm going to do is, rather than generating everything, I'm just going to open up these individual links and show you how I created it and what are the prompts that I used for each of them. So for context, let's look at a syllabus that was generated for 10th grade biology, and let's take that outline generated. So I'm going to use this outline, human anatomy and physiology. So I used that to create my lesson plan. 10th grade for human anatomy and physiology. Again, I didn't give any other information. Once I hit generate, it created the key points, the materials required, practice, and all the information. And again, there are other chatbot prompts that you can use to get additional information. Now, from this lesson plan, using this key point, I went back and I created a multiple choice assessment. So I used the same sentence that I got from my lesson plan, and I said, I need 5 questions. You can generate how many other questions you want. And once I click generate, it actually created 5 questions with the answer key. And of course, you have the option to ask the chatbot to build upon it. Now, similarly, for science lab, I used the same key point to see if I can build a science lab report. And for the same grade level, it was able to create the necessary information. And again, I was extensively using the chatbot feature and the preloaded prompts to see if I can get some additional data point. Right? So you can see that from syllabus, you create the lesson plan, and from the lesson plan, you go in to build the multiple choice assessment. Right? And also we can build special projects. Now, for fun, I wanted to try something different where I said I want a 10th grade 5 questions on volume of cone. Right? I want a math story word problems, but the story topic is going to be Taylor Swift concert. And I hit generate, and it actually generated a pretty good set of word problems. Take a look at it. It sounds fun, right? Who would not have fun solving these questions? Now, to wrap up, I just wanted to generate a letter of recommendation using the Magic School AI tool. I gave 5 words: she, relationship is teacher, institution is Yale, and of course you should be giving a lot more details, but just for this trial, I said hardworking and skilled. That's it. I clicked generate, and you can see that it created a pretty good recommendation letter. Of course, since it doesn't have the student name and several other information, it actually made up some of the content, but the structure is pretty good. You can take this and you can use it as needed. So that takes us to the list of all the favorite tools that I wanted to show to you. On top of it, there are multiple other things that I would highly recommend you all just giving it a try. Let's look at what are the other special features Magic School has. One of the favorite one that I saw here was the chatbot, Raina. And using this chatbot, you can actually ask multiple questions, just like a chat GPT, right? So here I can say, how can I facilitate a discussion on recent global news, right? So you give that in question and it goes about generating information on what you can do about it. And you can keep clicking and you can keep using the readily available prompts to get more information. So just like how we used for the tools, the same thing applies here, right? Now, if you want to get a detailed training and get certified in Magic School, you have quite a lot of resources for it. You can get certified at level 1 or level 2. You can have all the details and the resources that are needed to use this tool to its maximum potential. And of course, this is not sponsored by Magic School. We just wanted to share what is available. Now, let me also show you what are the subscription that you have. And I'm using a free version of it, and it's definitely powerful, right? They do mean it when they say powerful free version. Everything that I demoed to you, you can access it in the free version with no limitation at all. Now, at a school level, they do provide special pricing. So you can see that they have a discount and there are special features that are available for an enterprise versus a plus versus a free. Right? So these are the subscription options that you have for Magic School AI. Magic School AI is not just a tool, it's definitely a game changer. I can see that this being valuable not just for educators alone, but also for students and even homeschool kids. This will definitely improve the teachers' productivity and their quality of work. And let's not forget about their burnout. This will also make the learning easier and more customized plus structured for the students as well. This is definitely going to revolutionize the way we teach and the way we learn. I encourage you all to explore all the features that are available here, and it's pretty easy to get started. You just have to sign up, and with a free trial, you can explore all the platforms feature that I just demoed to you. Now, let me know what are your thoughts on these tools that you have seen. Leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI future tech exploration in the world of tomorrow.